You still think that's happening because the Earth is spinning? Aw, that's cute. Well, why don't we see if we can change that cuteness into acuteness? Acute intelligence, that is. Let's first start that task by realizing that the Earth's atmosphere can act as a lens. Alexa, can the Earth's atmosphere cause a lensing effect?
Yes, the Earth's atmosphere can cause a lensing effect.
Now, with that information, let's see if we can reproduce the sun setting on a smaller scale with a magnifying glass and me backing straight up in a pool. I'm not going down, I'm just going back. And I'm going to show you in a second when we remove the lens, we'll see the exact thing I'm talking about. Looks an awful lot like what the sun looks like as it moves further and further and further away. Now remove the lens and you see the light, or aka the sun, for a lot longer period, getting lower and lower and lower because I'm getting further and further away. And when you look at it alone, it looks an awful lot like the sun setting. And when you actually just compare it to the sun setting, it looks identical. Remember, I'm not getting lower, I'm just moving further and further away. Now keep in mind, the further something gets away from you, the lower it will get in your field of vision, aka you know this light above you is the same height as that light further away. But it just gets lower and lower and lower and smaller and smaller and smaller until eventually it's going to disappear because unlike they tell us, light doesn't travel trillions of miles endlessly to your line of sight. And if you ever find yourself under the right conditions, aka no lens or high humidity, you will see that the sun just goes and goes and goes and shrinks and shrinks. So next time you're lucky enough to see the sun setting over a beautiful body of water, ask yourself, what's really going on here? Is there a lot of atmosphere? Is the sun just getting further away? Or am I really spinning 1,000 miles per hour backwards, faster than the speed of sound? This is all for entertainment purposes, though. Of course, we're on a ball spinning endlessly, and I'm a descendant of a monkey that was a descendant of a tadpole. Entertainment only.